facing the east direction. Starting with the left toe, move it up and down 5 times. Now lift the right toe and in the same way move it up and down for 5 times. Moving up, lift your left leg a bit and rotate it 5 times in clockwise direction and then 5 times in anti-clockwise direction. These micro exercises are called yogic sukshma vyayam. Now similarly lift the right leg and rotate it 5 times in clockwise direction and then 5 times in anti-clockwise direction. Yoga is all about doing comfortably at your own pace with a positive state of mind. Now bend your knees, place your palms on it and then rotate them clockwise and then anti-clockwise 5 times each. These seemingly minor exercises are powerful as they activate the subtle channels of the body. Now place your hands on the waist and rotate it 5 times clockwise and then 5 times in an anti-clockwise direction. Any stiffness in the back, you will feel an instant relaxation. This light warm-up will loosen all the joints by removing the excess air bubbles that get trapped in them. Now we will lubricate the joints of our arms. Move them rotating the wrist sideways and then clench and relax 3 times. Go back and this time bring them forward. This exercise will tone your arms, making the wrists stronger and bringing power better. This time, go up. Do it with complete involvement and a smile on your face. Now place your fingers on the shoulders like this and rotate them forward and then backward 5 times each. Do it slowly, making a circle without straining yourself at any moment. Now with your hands on your waist, rotate your neck 3 times, first in clockwise direction and then 3 times in anti-clockwise direction. Do it at your own pace, rotating it properly. Feel the tension getting released of your neck muscles, very effective in preventing cervical problems. Now hold your ears and move them clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times each. The nerves that increase pragya, that is awareness, is located in our ears. Moving to eyes. Roll your eyes clockwise 3 times and then 3 times in anti-clockwise direction. Now squeeze your eyes tight and then open them wide 5 times. In this day and age, eye muscles definitely need a lot of exercise. So this completes the warm-up to increase the flow of pranic energy throughout the body. Well done. Now our body is ready to do Surya Namaskar. It is a powerful kriya to instill the sun's energy within you. Let's do it with a sense of gratitude to the sun for sustaining life on our planet. Facing the sun, come to the edge of the mat. Hold Anjali Mudra. Take a deep breath in and lift your arms up and back. Now breathing out, bend forward and bring the hands down to the mat beside the feet. Do it comfortably. Now breathing in, push your left leg as back as possible. Right knee being in the front. Look up. Now take back your right leg also. Move your back up with eyes on the navel. Now gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Rest your chest and chin on the floor. Then slide forward and raise your chest up into cobra pose. Look up. Now breathing out, lift the hips to bring your body into an inverted Take a deep breath in and this time bring your left foot forward in between the two hands. Breathing out, bring your right foot forward. Now stand up. Take a deep breath in, raise your hands up and bend backwards. As you exhale, first straighten the body, then bring your arms down sideways. Relax. How do you feel? Not just on the body, Surya Namaskar is known to have an immense positive impact on the mind as well. Now lie down on the mat. Before moving on to the breathing exercises, we will practice 6 asanas which are relevant and effective in curing our modern day health problems. First is wind relieving pose, the Pavan Muktasana. Arms beside the body, palms facing the ceiling.